be the mayor of Mumbai. A woman? Yes. But is it finalized yet? Not really. The process is still going on. In the BMC elections, BJP has emerged as the single largest party by winning 89 out of 227 seats, while the Shinde faction of Shiv Sena has secured 29 seats. Together, they crossed the majority mark of 114, and after the result, a lottery process was held on January 22nd, and this draw decided that the mayor's post will be reserved for a woman from the general or open category. This means Mumbai is all set to get a woman mayor. But the big question is, will the mayor be from BJP or Shinde Sena? Tension is clearly rising with the alliance. BJP wants full control over both the mayor's post and the powerful standing committee, while Shinde Sena is demanding share or even a rotation system using their kingmaker position. So now BJP have shortlisted 5 frontrunners for the mayor's post. So who are they? Let's find out. Hello, this is Khatija and you're watching Lokmat Times. Now let's move ahead and take a look at BJP's top 5 contenders. But before we do that, do subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's start with Ritu Tavde. She is 53 years old and has won from Ghatkoppar's Ward 132 for the second time. She is considered a Maratha leader who managed to defeat her rivals in a Gujarati-dominated area. Clearly showing her strong mass appeal, party leaders see her as one of the strongest contenders. Next is Alka Kerkar, aged 73, one of the most experienced names on the list. She won Ward 98 in Bandra Khar, Santa Cruz West for the 4th time. Having already served as deputy mayor, she brings solid administrative experience which gives her a strong edge. Third is Tejasvi Ghosalkar, just 38 years old. She joined BJP from Shiv Sena UBT just before the elections and went on to win from Dahisar by a huge margin of over 10,000 votes. As the wife of late Abhishek Ghosalkar and daughter-in-law of former MLA Vinod Ghosalkar, she also carries strong political legacy and influence. Then there is Rajshri Shirwadkar, a committed party worker with years of grassroots experience, and Sheetal Gambhir, known for her sharp political skills and leadership qualities. Both names are doing the rounds in BJP circles. But despite the numbers, friction within the alliance is clearly visible. BJP is firm on keeping the mayor's post and the standing committee under its control, calling it crucial for major decisions. On the other hand, Shinde Sena is reminding everyone about Shiv Sena's long rule in BMC and is also invoking Bal Thackeray's 2026 birth centenary to strengthen their claim. Now all eyes are on Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis as talks continue and a final decision is awaited. Meanwhile, the opposition Shiv Sena UBT, which has 65 seats, boycotted the lottery draw. They alleged that the rules were changed by dropping the ST reservation, which earlier benefited them, and that the process was fixed in BJP's favor. Former Mayor Kishori Pednekar even called it pre-decided